In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left, click on the plus create button, and then under customers, you want to click on invoice, which is the first option at the very top left. Now, whenever you do this, you'll be directed to invoice creation, and then in here, you can of course create your invoice. So you can get started by essentially adding in different things. Here, I just have some demo data because I'm in QuickBooks test drive right now, so that's why you can see some custom data over here. Then you can of course edit your company over here. You can add the customers that you have. You can then go and of course put in their emails. You can build to a specific of course address over here or whatever. Then here you have the terms, invoice date, due date, etc. And then down here you want to add products and services, descriptions, quantities, and rates. So I'm just going to do some design over here. Quantity is going to be 2, rate is fine, and then of course you can just keep on adding different things, and that way you can of course essentially add it just like that, and you can of course add as many things as you need to add here on your invoice. And then down here you have like customer payment options. You have like different things. You have notes for customers, you have internal customer notes, memos, attachments if you want to add these, and of course here you can see the subtotals and totals. You can also add discounts if you wanna, for example like this, either in percentages or dollar amounts, so fixed dollar amounts. And then here you can of course charge a deposit if you wanna, edit totals, see the math, stuff like this. And whenever you're ready, you could either just save it over here, you can save it in new or save it close, or you could review and send it or share a link to your invoice. Okay, so for example, I'm just gonna click on save over here and it's going to save it. And now you can see up top here, you could also do like a PDF view, so you can see a PDF of your invoice. You can see the payer view, the email view, stuff like that, okay? So that's how to create invoices. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.